Super Multiplier has given more than 170% return in just 1 year, which seems almost impossible. So I wish if there was a small case that has genuinely given this kind of return, but the reality is completely out of your imaginations. Okay, so if you talk about the biggest investors of all time, Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, their annual return is not more than 22%. So the biggest trader in the world has a ROI not more than 72%. So how these small cases are able to achieve this kind of return, 170% return, and why Warren Buffett and other big investors are not investing in this super multiplier small case, why they are still satisfied with the 22% return? So this is the $1,000,000 question. And is this a kind of scam is going on in super multiplier, or what's the total scene? In this video we will talk about everything, and you will have a crystal clear idea about the super multipliers small case. So in order to understand what's exactly going in super multiplier small case, you need to understand two things: the investment philosophy of super multiplier, and the you need to know about the manager who is managing the super multipliers and other small case. Okay, if you know the two things, then we'll directly jump to the scam that is going on in super multiplier, and why the super multiplier is able to give 170% return in just 1 year. Is it luck, is it market research, or is it something else? You will be know everything about this small case. Let's directly get into the point. Okay, super multiplier is managed by power trade, and under power trade there are two more small cases are there, including super multiplier. Super multipliers is there, of course, and there are super momentum and circuit breaker. But if you look into other two small cases, which is just given 52% and 25% return in last year, which is good but not great as compared to the super multiplier, which is given 170% return in just 1 year. So is it luck, or is it something else that is going on into the super multiplier small case? Here the real problem comes with the investment philosophy that they are using. So they are using the Charlie Munger's and Warren Buffett investment philosophy, which is value investing. So what they claim is they pick the undiscovered and undervalued stocks and invest huge amount of money into the stocks. And here the real problem comes. See, I will tell you in detail what's going on inside the super multiplier small case. So in the app, they are showing that they are able to manage 170% return in just 1 year, which is not true. I have invested in super multiplier small case, but I was not able to get this kind of return. I was I was in loss. I was in 13% loss in just one rebalance update, and I will tell you the story in short. So what happens is, see, they pick stocks in such a way that the market capitalization is really small. And super multiplier is the most subscribed small case into the entire small case app, and this is the real issue. And their investment philosophy is such that they always try to invest in companies where the market capitalization is really small and the stocks are undervalued. So whenever there is a rebalance into the small super multiplier small case, suppose they suggest you to buy companies at a stock. Okay, so thousands of people will invest into the company A, irrespective of their fundamentals, whether the company is making any progress or not. If thousands of people invest into the company, it's sure that it's 100% sure the prices will go up irrespective of the company's performance, and this is the issue. And when there is a rebalance of sell a company, thousands of people will try to sell this company, and there will be no buyer at all, and the prices will be crashed. So they mentioned that in the last year they have got 117% return, but this is not true. I also invested in super multiplier small case. I have not got 170% return. Even I don't get the chance to sell my stocks. I will tell you what happened. So as the stocks, only there are three stocks in super multiplier small case. Okay, and there are not a huge numbers of buyer and seller into the stocks because the market capitalizations are really low. That is also their investment philosophy. They try to invest in stocks where the market capitalization is extremely low and stocks are undervalued. So if there is a suggestion like buy these stocks, thousands of people are trying to buy this stock at the same time, so you may not be able to buy this stock at the price that they have suggested, because other people have already put their money into this stock, so the prices will automatically go up. And this is same when there is a suggestion to sell the stocks. Suppose they suggest you to sell the stocks Y, okay, but before you actually click on the sell button, because Super Multiplier is the most subscribed small case, thousands of people has already sold that small case, and because of that there is a crash, or even there can be a circuit into the particular stocks. So you may not be able to sell these stocks at the same day, because there was not a huge numbers of buyers and sellers. Only those people who has subscribed the Super Multiplier small case, only they are playing the buyer or seller role, where the real issue comes. And because of that, sometimes you may not be able to buy or sell these stocks, and this is happening. We should not directly call it a scam, but this is a thing that is happening into the Super Multiplier, so I thought that I should tell you about that. See, the thing is, gaining a 170% return for a very long period of time, year on year, is not something that you can do for a very long period of time. Rather, I am giving you some other alternatives where the risk is a bit low as compared to the Super Multiplier, where they are investing some money into the large cap, so the risk is distributed. Okay. First is GI Midcap Champion. You can look into the small case. And by the way, this video is not sponsored. No manager has given me any money. These are the stocks where I am putting my money, so I am sharing it with you. And secondly, Wealth Maximizer is one of the stocks, where one of the small case where I am putting my money. And another is Good Luck Gear 6, and that's all. And this is today's video. What do you think about this video? Let me know in the comment section. And if you want to watch finance videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel. And this is all for today. I will catch you in the next one.